everyone, this is Diksha from Food Pleasure and Health, and today I'm making a very simple and versatile tomato sauce. This tomato sauce is really great on pizza, pasta, or you can also use it as a spread on your sandwiches or a wrap. So let's begin. So very few ingredients. I am using canned tomatoes, little onion, garlic, and I'm just cooking with olive oil, salt, and pepper. And I'll give you an option of different spices and herbs that you can use. I have my pan here. So to that, I'm going to add olive oil. This is just a medium heat. Then I'm going to add chopped onions. I'm not looking to fry or anything. I'm just getting the onion to soften a little bit. Next thing goes our garlic. And I'm going to mix everything and let this cook for like a couple of minutes. To pour in my tomatoes. So I'm going to let this cook for a little bit longer, and I'm going to season it with a little salt. Next goes a little bit of pepper. Alright, and if you feel like this is getting too hot, you can lower the heat as needed. Then next goes my herbs. Today I'm using rosemary and parsley. I also use basil when I have it. Another thing I like to add is chili pepper. This is completely optional, but I like my tomato sauce to be a little spicy, so I add that. You don't have to if you don't have it or if you don't like your sauce to be spicy. So I'm going to let this cook in like a slow and low heat for probably like 35 to 40 minutes. And halfway through cooking, I'm going to come in and stir it. And I also like to taste my sauce in between. And I always keep my salt, pepper, and spices handy just in case I want to adjust the seasoning. So this has been cooking for about 35-40 minutes, and you can see how the volume has reduced. So it's reduced down to almost half. It's pretty thick, it's almost jammy, and that's how I like it. So one last thing that's left to do is just taste it. I'm going to give it a quick... It's really good. I can taste the garlic, the spices are there. Maybe I'll add a little bit of salt. And that's the thing with this tomato sauce is you can adjust the seasoning and the spices and the herbs depending on what you like. And also the canned tomatoes, depending on different brands, it tastes a little bit different. So I highly encourage that you taste it as you're cooking and also at the very end. So yeah, the sauce is ready, and I'm going to let this cool down and store it in a little Tupperware and leave it in the fridge. And this lasts pretty at least a week or 10 days. And yeah, I'll be using it throughout the week for pasta, for pizza, and then the pizza toast that I shared recently. You can go find the link up here and just enjoy it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!